problem, then they come to me. Who got a problem, then refer to me. I'm standing 10 toes with my team. I know that they're feeling me. They're dope and it came from the Philippines. I walked in and demons and I got the smell of me. My money is the only thing that's compelling me. Block 19 if you're trying to challenge me. Oh, you want a verse, then you gotta obey a fee. I should've known that I do not rap for free. I'm kicking in for your goals, fuck the referee. Got a problem, then they come to me. Who got a problem, then refer to me. I'm standing 10 toes with my team. Jimmy and Sheen, we be moving them keys. We have the Q's and we have the P's. We can make it here whenever we please. I got Libby and Cindy on their knees.